Hi everyone, first of all, thank you for joining Bridge Bomber as mentors, and on behalf of all other members, I would like to welcome you on board. And I'm sure that the time you spent mentoring the students back at home will be very useful and very helpful for them. So in this video, I'll be explaining how you can set up a Calendly account. So Calendly is a scheduling system, appointment scheduling system that we'll be using in the upcoming mentorship session. So for the first step, you just click sign up. Enter your email address. Click the button. Allow. And this is your personal link, calendly.com/yourname. You could change it as long as it's not conflicting with other existing users. Click continue. Continue. And here I'd like you to select all the available dates or days that you want to mentor. You could decide not to mentor on certain day too. And time-wise, we will change it back in a later bit. I'll show you how. Click continue. You can just choose education, finish. And you can close this box. And here you can see 3 calendars, and basically we'll be using the very first calendar only because these 2 are trial versions and they will be disabled in a few days. So we'll be focusing on this very first block. Click this thing and then click the very first box. This is the event name. What type of event is this calendar for? It's for mentorship, so we are gonna put in mentorship. And the location, choose Google Hangout, and which is basically the platform that you are going to use to talk to the students. You could choose Zoom and others, but for Bridge Bomber, we'll be only choosing Hangout. And description. This is a bit of more information to the students. You can say, please come to the meeting on time, or you can just leave it blank. It doesn't matter that much. And this is the particular link for these type of events. I would say change it into mentorship. So the actual exact link that you'll be sharing to the students is calendly.com/yourname/mentorship. You can change the event colors. Save. And then choose the second box. This mentorship sessions will be 30 minutes, so all of you will be choosing 30-minute blocks here. And date range, basically what type of dates do you want to show to the students. If you choose 60 days, the students can choose any date of your available time from now to until the next 60 days. You could choose a particular date range, like maybe only just for that mentorship period, or you can choose indefinitely. It's based on your own preference. Click apply. And your time zone, which is going to be, for me, is my Eastern time, and for you it could be different. And availability, here's the time here's the exact detail we're gonna put in, like when we're actually free. So I would say first keep in mind that in Burma, if you are in America or in Eastern time, you want to adjust to the time zone difference. So for me personally, I'm gonna put in from morning 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. and then again from 8 p.m., which is their morning time, to 12 a.m. And based on my past experience mentoring, students mostly choose the night time, which is their morning time. And make sure you click this link or apply to multiple so that this time apply to all the dates that you are mentoring. Click apply. Now you have your available time set up. Next, click advance and show the time by increments of 30 so that it's showing from 9 to 9:30, 9:30 to 10:30, stuff like that. And here is how many maximum mentorships do you want to do per day. You can make it 1, you can make it 2, that's your preference. And then minimum scheduling notice, the least amount of time the students can choose before the actual event starting. So I'll choose 10 hours away. And this is important. It's good to have a buffer between events so that you're not rushing from one event to another, or you have enough time to prepare before the next meeting start. You can make it 5 minutes or 10 minutes. That's your preference. Save and close. and invitee questions. So these are the questions that we will be asking to the students. They have to enter their name, their email address, and of course some other specific questions. Here we're going to edit this question, and we're going to put in another questions. So here I'm just going to copy paste from here, but you will personally receive these in your email to set up this Calendly account. So you can also copy it. Oops. You can also copy it from there. Let me copy it again. Right, multiple lines. Apply. What questions would you like to ask your mentor? Please be specific. Then add a new questions, which is this one. Also multiple lines. Apply. We want to make sure that your mentorship section is going to be as smooth as possible. To ensure that we'll love to know what you're expecting, choose that, and then save and close. And the rest of it are for premium users, which means you have to pay money to improve it, to actually use these features, like reminders, follow-up, cancellation policy. If you have a specific cancellation policy, you can write in here too. Confirmation page. This is all premium features. So alright, your account is set up. You can view your particular link by clicking this view link page, and this is exactly what the mentee is going to see. Or if you want to see the exact link, you can go back, you can copy the link, and when you paste it in, it's going to say your name and the mentorship. So I'm going to act as a mentee, so I would like to book this 24th on 24th Tuesday nighttime around 10 o'clock. Confirm my name is Susan, email address, question how to get scholarships, I really need help, scholarship advice, and then I'll schedule the event. Now it's confirmed. So back in your email box, you will receive a notification saying that an event has been scheduled right here. So you can see that the student name is Susan. This is their time that they scheduled, and this is the Google Hangout link where you're going to be joining it. You can click this link to join the Google Hangout, or I'll show you another way. And these are the questions that the student asked. And the cool thing is that this Calendly is already in sync with your Google Calendar. So when you go on your Google Calendar, you can actually see the event. And you can join the Hangout from here or from the email. So once you join the Hangout, it'll take you into next page. Allow, dismiss, and then you can join the Hangout. So right now the mentee is not here. You can also switch off the video and just do the voice chat. Because sometimes this is useful because the internet connection in Burma is not that good. This helps in increasing the speed, and then you can close it. In case if you encounter an issue using Hangout in Safari, I would recommend using Google Chrome because sometimes Hangout is glitchy with using Safari. Alright, and from the students' perspective, from the students, if they're using the email, they will also receive an email looking like this. Hey, saying the student you have an appointment scheduled with Mei Xin Lian, which is your mentor. So they can also join the call by clicking this link. So that's it. I hope the video is useful, and if you have any questions, please let Zach or Jasmine know, and happy mentoring. Thank you for sharing your time.